Hello, while exploring Google ADK, Agent Development Kit, which Google launched back in second week of May 2025, I have developed this application. It is called DebtWise. It is basically AI-powered debt management system. It is reactive, but it can also be used as an MPC server. So if you connect it to Claude, so it can Claude can work as a UI user interface for this application. Uh, why I have used Plaid? Plaid is basically an API provider, which which can link many uh, banks and banking institutions in North America to the user account. So it provides that kind of API. For this demo app, what I have done is I'm using a Plaid sandbox, which have some dummy users. So this user is not real. So we'll connect to a Plaid, and then based on his spending on the expenses and whatever earnings he has, that or she has, we'll do the AI powered debt management system. Let's start. So what I will do is first I will show the user interface of the application, then later the technicalities, so that this can be further developed. So when I connect here, connect to bank account, so this is like given by a plate. So since I'm connecting to the sandbox, I'll just continue as a guest. Again, this one we can connect to many institutions, but for this demo account, I have connected to this Platypus bank, First Platypus Bank. First Platypus Bank. Okay, username is user good. Password is password. So I'm using Plaid API to connect to that dummy account, but in real app, this can be for any real user of any of these bank customers. So I'll just continue with this one. So it could successfully connected. So I'll just finish without saving because it's just a dummy account. So it has successfully connected to that dummy account, and I have these recent transactions, which again put by Plate as a dummy account. So what we will do is now this Google AI agent that will come into picture, and it will do the spending analysis to judge or assess the personality of the person. Let's do that one. It's analyzing, you can see here. So this fellow is a conservative saver. So this one is like impulse spending score is 83%. Budget conscious high. I'm not sure why it is giving financial risk level to be high, even though this fellow is like good in budget. He is a good budget conscious person. But we can fix that small issue, not a problem. Again, this is coming from MCP server from Plate. So we have this checking and saving account balances. Here comes the fun part. So this fellow, what I did is like this dummy account. It doesn't have so many debts shown. So the user can add those debts from this UI. So I'll just add few of the debts. So I'll add debt. Okay, let's go for, let's say we have some credit card. Okay, this one, and he has to pay, let's say 50,000, and interest percentage is 18.99. Minimum amount I just put 500. So this add it and add more debts. Okay, how about mortgage? Okay, personal loan. I'll just make it 100,000 with 13% interest, and minimum payment is, let's say, 1,000 US dollar. I'll add another car loan. Personal loan. Okay, this can be like further enhanced. Let's say this is 12,000 US dollars, 12%. Minimum amount again I'll put what you say, 700. Okay. Incomes again, this dummy account is not so many income streams, so like user can add those here. If you go to add income, so maybe in the evening I'm just driving Uber car, so that's basically a side hustle. Yes. And I'm making, let's say, 700 per month. Let's say I have some rental income coming. Rental income, I'll make it 1,000. Add income, another one. Okay, let's add another one. Add income. What should I say? Maybe freelance. Freelance, side hustle, freelance work. Let's say I'm earning 1,500 from that one. Now what, maybe I might have some goals. I'll just add one goal. Since I'm in my 50s, so my goal is early retirement, and target, so 50,000, $500,000 if I have by 2000, let's say 28. So I'll be happy. So I'll just add this goal. Okay. So expenses again in the dummy account, there might be limited. So I'll just add few. Add expense. I would like to go for gym. This is entertainment. No, not entertainment. It's like healthcare. Maybe I'm paying 200 just to make it more dramatic. The AI analysis. I'll add more expenses. Okay, Netflix. This is entertainment, not healthcare. Right? This is 50, and maybe what I do is like for groceries and spending, food and dining, maybe let's say I'm spending 1,000 US dollar on that one. So I have like these three debts. I have this side hustles or additional income. I have this one goal of getting early retired, and I have these additional expenses in addition to whatever I have in the whatever a Plaid had given us. So let's do the fun part. So run the EA recommendations to see where this fellow stands. So what he gets to do is this is like analysis coming from Google Gen AI. So he has a total debt of 162,000. Monthly minimums are this one, and high interest rate is account is 1. If you remember, the first account we put 18.8 something. So these are the DebtWise our app recommendations. So what it's saying is like better prioritize debt payment for this Chase Freedom account because it has the highest interest rate, and then he had several recommendations and budget optimization. So since I put it like more dramatically, so budget optimization is saying that identify areas for 500 monthly reduction, like dining, entertainment. Is saying just look into that one. And timeline expectation, it will come even later. So when it comes to early retirement, my goal, so it's saying it's like unrealistic because for that 500,000 US dollars for early retirement or retirement by 2028, what I need is 15,625 monthly, and that is like very unrealistic. Spending behavior, here we have. So what is saying like looking at our expenses, so it's saying that it's like challenging, and monthly expenses, this again spending breakdown visualization, just to give an idea to the user that okay is spending a lot on that one. And this one is when it comes to spending personality profile, so it is like putting it there again. What we saw here is this level, I'm not sure why is putting high, but that can be dealt with few tweaks. And then this is like really good. So DebtWise insight, what it says that aggressively pay down high interest rate debt first. Okay, is giving recommendations, insights, and spending optimization, cut food expenses by 50%. Is saying I'm spending too much on food. Income enhancement, so he's saying that okay, look for some extra hustles. Risk management, he's saying that we should have an emergency account. Timeline adjustment, excuse me. When it comes to the payoff strategy, so it is again looking at Google's AI generative model, and he's saying that better adopt debt avalanche method. So this is a definition. It's like that two like what you say categories. One is like a debt avalanche method, or the other one is snowball. So you can read that one whenever you have some time. And then this one is distribute extra payments equally, like what normally person does. But it's recommendation is go for avalanche method. So if we follow avalanche method, so he will be able to, or she will be able to pay her debt in 7 years and 11 months, and monthly payments are there. And when it comes to excuse me, monthly payments, so he's like splitting it into a month wise. Again, there's fun part. So let's do some payments and do some payments and earn some rewards. So since Chase Freedom, it was more, so I'll just normally minimum payment is 500. So what I'll do is I'll do 600, make payment, and it is saying that okay, since I have done this one, so I earned 600 points. So I am now in this first step I have done, and I'm like got this badge badge. One badge is for the big payment, and the other one is achievement badges. So it will like motivate the user that okay, he can be starting from first steps to all the steps he can come and then achieve this consistent pair or debt-free hero badge. So this thing again, if you want to change any of that debts, expenses, or earnings or incomes, so you can do that part. So I think you might like this one. And when it comes to its application, so this so far I haven't put in the GitHub. So it is basically what I did is I made this app using Claude code. It's like really marvelous. Uh, Again, the Claude code is, it's getting famous with time. And this one, it is like Node.js application on the backend, and it is using TypeScript. And this one is a README file. If you see here, so this app is doing this bank integration. The one I explained that it is connecting through Plaid, which is like normally used in North American banks. And then it is using Google Generative AI, and it is doing all this intelligent debt strategies, spending analysis, behavior metrics, and all these models is calling in the application to assess or recommend AI generated recommendations. Again, the gamified debt payment system, I already told you like what will be the goals, and what badges this person will achieve. Again, advanced financial analysis, so this is already there. As I told you, this is I am using Node.js, TypeScript, and Google AI Studio. But this all is built with the help of Claude code. You can see this one even in my VS Code project. So these are the installation instructions, and the readme.amd file recommendations. So if you like this application, just please give me a feedback. So far it is in the prototype state. But if you like this one, we can materialize it and make it in the production production stage. One thing I forgot to mention, that so far whatever we are doing in the application, this is only limited to the session. So far I haven't connected to any database, but obviously in the production stage we have to do that kind of thing. We'll connect it to the database just to so that like user, whenever he feels, he can log in and then do all this analysis. If, for example, if anything changes, or just for reassessing. Hope you like this video. Give thumbs up if you like. Thank you very much.